got yourself pulling your hair out and you're like, man, I don't want to do one by one for each one of these photos. Well, I got a tip for you here that has helped us with building websites and how we optimize our photos. No more pulling your hair out trying to figure out how to do one photo at a time. We're going to go through in Photoshop how to batch edit these photos, save yourself time, save your customers time. Everybody just gets a little more efficient, and your website will load a lot faster too. We'll talk about using a WebP file. Let us know below in comments that you have on what type of projects you're trying to do with your photos, what websites you're building. Like it below, comment, and we'll just jump right in right now. All right, thank you. Today we're going to be talking about batch editing photos for your website. Today we have 49 photos that we need to update and upload to a website. Here they are. They're all very large files. We got 10 megabytes on a bunch of these, and that is not ideal for when you want to put them on your website. But you don't have to go in one by one and save those photos. What we're going to do here is create an action in Photoshop, so then we can run that as a batch edit, and it'll save all those photos out at once. Let's just dive right in here. First thing you want to do is create the plus icon in your Actions tab. We'll call this Home Builders 2. That's our action name. Now everything that we do in Photoshop is going to be recorded, so we don't have to do it again later when we run the batch edit. First thing we want to do is come up to the top bar here, and we'll go to Image, Size, and we're just going to make this 1080. Click OK. Now it labeled that and saved that there. Next we want to do is on a Mac, Command Option S, and we will save it as a WebP file, and we're going to find that folder that we created already, WebP opt. Well, I'll put it in 1920 for now. Actually, let's just relabel it. That was something earlier I was doing. So let's put it in 1080 so we know that's what we're creating. New folder for that. I'm going to save that. We want 50% quality. Click OK. Now our action is created. We want to make sure we stop it. And now we are ready to run the batch edit. Come up to Photoshop bar in the top. Click on Automate Batch. That's under File. Automate Batch. Choose the folder that we're pulling the photos from. So here's the original photos. Then we're going to come in to choose the destination folder, and we just created that 1080 folder. So this is where all optimized images are going to go. Choose that. We went ahead and we're going to label each photo too, instead of just having the random numbers that come from your iPhone or your camera. We're going to label them Home Builder Dash, and it's going to put a number after it, a 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And we'll click OK, and now it's going to batch edit all those photos. There's 49 of them. That's running through. You can see up in the top right here. It's saving out all those photos in a smaller file size to put in our website, so you have better user experience. It loads quicker. Once it's done here, well, we can jump in ahead of here. So we go into, we'll see the first photo here. It's about 10 megs. Now if I go into 1080 here, oh, it just finished. So all these photos just came in, and now if I go to the first one, you'll see it's 281 kilobytes, which is a lot smaller than 10.1 megabytes. That's going to help your website load a lot faster, and you don't need the original image size. So if you like this video, like it below, comment what type of photos are you guys saving for, and let me know if there's any questions you have in the comments below. Like and subscribe. Thank you.